Exciting news today. So I have been requested by several to make a YouTube channel for my Melissa Mixology. So it's available. I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to try to do a cocktail a week. I've been doing a lot of bourbon cocktails, but I thought we would do a new vodka cocktail since it's summer. We needed something a little bit lighter. So this cocktail is called a Tito Elder. So I'm going to go over the ingredients. Well, definitely I'm using Tito's vodka. It's going to be 1.5 ounces. And then we are using Elderflower Liqueur, which is really nice and light. That's 1 ounce of that. And then we've got fresh lemon juice. And I have to say, please squeeze your own lemons. Really, it's not that hard, and it adds like deliciousness to your cocktails. So there's that. And then we also have simple syrup, which is, you just do like a cup of it, really. You do 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of water, and then you melt the sugar, and then it will keep in your fridge. And then something new today, we are using peach bitters. Oh boy. Okay, so today everything is going to go into our cocktail shaker, and then I have a Collins glass for the finished product. So into our cocktail shaker, I just have regular cubed ice cubes. So I'm going to put a little bit in here. And in goes all of my liquor. So I have the elderflower and the simple syrup going in. I have the Tito's vodka going in. I have the fresh lemon juice going in. And you know, it's all about the cuteness factor with these videos. So the peach bitters, I actually went online to Amazon and bought, it's a trio of these bitters decanter. And then I got a cute little tray to put them on. So it's just, come on, you gotta like jazz it up, right? So just take off the top, and we're only gonna do 1 dash of peach. I did a couple more, sorry. I like peach, what can I say? Okay, so all that goes in there. And again, what we learned from our cocktail classes is that once you get everything in, you have to shake it until your hands can no longer deal with it anymore, okay? So everything's in here, and then watch, here we go. Woo! Okay, that's cold. Okay. So my Collins glass, and I'm gonna put a couple ice cubes in here. Voila. And then I'm going to take my cocktail and strain it into my glass, like so. Oh, the Tito Elder. Boy, oh boy, does that look good. And sometimes you'll get that where it doesn't come to the very top. And you don't want to feel cheated, right? So you just kind of put some ice in there, right? And it looks like, oh my God, I have a full cocktail. So today, for our garnish, I went and kind of peeled a lemon, like a long sprig here of lemon, and then I just twisted it like that. How cute. And then I will stick that right in there on the glass. So let's try it. A Tito Elder. Oh, come on. That's awesome. That's like an adult version of lemonade. Man, oh man. So anyways, I don't know really, because this is my first video, if there's a subscribe button down below, but hopefully there is really this time. So if you like it, subscribe. Feel free to comment. I am looking for things to make. If you're interested in a cocktail, let me know. I'll whip it up. Have a great weekend, everybody, and enjoy.